Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bilal I'm a trainee gas engineer, and I heard about this a course called Aafiyah Healing. There's actually more curiosity to find out what the big fuss is about. Why was it so important to come to this course? And it's actually opened my eyes up quite a lot. Just due to the day-to-day issues that we have within our lives, within our family, within our friends, and it's about how to deal with all these issues. Because I know a few family members, a few friends that have been through a lot of traumatic experiences, and it's given me a lot of awareness. I was quite shocked at what I've learned. I was quite pessimistic when I came into it, but now it's really been an eye opener with the whole situation, how to deal with things.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bilal and Tawseef. I'm a civil engineer, and on building sites, they are introducing mental awareness, mental health quite a lot. So I found it a wee bit confusing why they're bringing mental health issues into construction. But then after going on to the Aafiyah course, I realised that emotions and well-being is very important part of your life, and you have to kind of keep your emotions in control and think about others. And this course I just kind of highlighted the smallest, simplest things make all the difference in your life and how it affects you and your health and your mental health more specifically. And inshallah, I'm hoping to use this course all my friends and family, and just to get them to understand. Look, just because you can't afford this or this has happened in your life, don't let that become a source of where you'll become weaker and you'll get ill. So inshallah, I hopefully I'll be able to help them in the future.